Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OBS Studio for recording clean video sources, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with OBS Studio for recording clean video sources, begin by downloading OBS Studio from the official website. Install the application by following the on-screen instructions for your operating system. Once installed, launch OBS Studio. You will be greeted with an auto configuration wizard. Choose Optimize for recording. Select the appropriate resolution and frame rate based on your needs. Click Next to proceed and finish the initial setup. On the main OBS interface, locate the Sources box at the bottom. To add a video source, click the plus icon in the Sources box. Select the type of video source you want to capture, such as display capture or video capture device. Name your source for easy identification. Adjust the settings to fit your needs and click OK. If using display capture, choose the display you want to record and click OK. Next, go to the Settings option in the lower right corner. Choose the Output tab from the left menu. In the Output settings, select Recording and adjust the recording path to save your files. Choose the recording format, such as MP4, for easy playback. Set the quality settings to your desired level. Move to the Audio tab in the Settings menu. Select your audio input device, such as your microphone, for clear audio capture. Adjust the sample rate and channels according to your requirements. Return to the main window and click Start Recording to begin. Make sure to monitor your audio and video sources to ensure they are functioning correctly. When finished, click Stop Recording to save your video. Locate the file in the designated recording path you set earlier. You are now ready to record clean video sources with OBS Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.